12 volt or 12.8 volt 300 amp hour battery. This summer it's going to get a good workout sitting here in quartzite.
This battery is an absolute game changer for anyone living off-grid or looking for a dependable power solution. It's designed to deliver top-tier performance at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice compared to other batteries with similar specifications. Whether you're powering an RV, camper van, boat, tiny home, or even using it as a backup power source, this battery has you covered. One of the standout features of this battery is its incredible lifespan, up to 15,000 deep cycles. That means you can use this battery every single day for over 10 years and it would still maintain reliable performance. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so you can trust that OKMO stands behind the quality of their. One of the key features of this battery is its built-in battery management system, or BMS. The BMS acts like the brain of the battery, offering protection against overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, short circuits, and overcurrent. This advanced system ensures safety and reliability, which is so important when you're living off-grid or depending on a battery for critical power needs. Another impressive feature of this battery is its wide temperature range. It operates efficiently in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great option no matter where you live or what kind of conditions you're dealing with. One of the best things about OKMO is their commitment to quality at an affordable price. This 300 amp hour LifePo4 battery delivers premium performance without breaking the bank, making it accessible for anyone looking for reliable power. Whether you're upgrading your RV, prepping for emergencies, or planning an off-grid adventure, this battery is a fantastic choice. We couldn't have done this without OKMO's generous support. Their dedication to providing sustainable, high-quality power solutions is helping people like Amber create a better future, one step at a time. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and affordable off-grid power source, I highly recommend this 300 amp hour LifePo4 battery.